All right, guys, I'm gonna continue my project here. I had to stop it because on this side of the dashboard, when I was wiping the little cotton ball around the steering wheel, a drop or two, I noticed that it got on the dashboard on this side. So I had to get some alcohol and do some quick rubbing off, which worked. So what I did now was I put the cover. I covered the dashboard, not just half of it, but all the way up to here so that I could continue with this project here. It's coming up pretty decent. Not complaining. Not complaining. Not complaining. All right. So, yeah, bystanders just walking by. You know, everybody's just like talking and screaming. You know, you see people talking to themselves. If they're not talking to themselves, they're really talking to someone else on their phones. So, you know, that's the world we're living now. Oops. Let me know you don't hear me. I'm still here working on this, all right? Need concentration. I want to make sure it comes out right the first time around because there's no second time around on this. All right, not in a vehicle with an interior looking this good. All right, either you fix it or you just F it up. It's one or the other. Ain't no 3 chances here. It's just one or the other. Ain't no 2 or 3 chances on here. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I'm good here. Walk around the car, get on the driver's side again. You gotta be as comfortable as you can when you're doing this, because you wanna keep your mind off pains that you might be getting from your body telling you that, hey man, I'm uncomfortable. Get the pressure off my leg or get the pressure off my back. All right, so you wanna be as comfortable as you can while you're doing that so you can just focus on what you're doing and focus on it coming out as good as possible. Let me just walk around. I'm gonna walk around so you can stay right there, Caesar. You don't have to turn off the camera. Just keep it on, keep it going on. So I can just walk around. Follow me with the camera, Caesar. Follow me. All right, so on this side, let me see if I can get as much as possible over here.
Look, guys.
A little uncomfortable over here, but I gotta try to get as much as possible on the backside too. It's looking lovely. Believe me when I tell you this. It's looking lovely. Next part I'm gonna do is this middle part right here, but that's gonna be like, I don't know. Let me just make sure that this comes out right. What I'm doing now, the part I'm doing now so that I could just continue with that middle section there. What are you doing, Cesar? What? Okay, remember guys, this is what I'm using. This is the dye, black shoe dye. I'll be honest with you, I don't even know this brand, but it's working. It's called Rapido Pro Mine. Black leather dye, shoe dye. No signs behind this. Ain't no special paint. I mean, if it dyes your shoes and it's leather, why not use it for this? Okay, we're gonna take a rest, Caesar, and we're just gonna let it dry, and come back and do a second coat on it. But we're gonna pause it, stop it, and then we're just gonna continue. And let me see what time is it.
Stop.
Wait a minute. We could come back like in 20 minutes and continue. All right, so yeah, stop it.
Stop.
Salute, guys, salute.